Everyone, you should divide your hair first into two parts. Make plaits out of those two parts. Now, divide the other half of the hair into two parts again. Make a circular bead or a plaited part. Repeat the same process of dividing your hair into 6 equal halves and then rolling the favorite back pin or a ribbon around your hair, and then inside it make plaits and decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Now, take hair from the sides and keep tying it in the form of plaits from the very sides, corners, and every section of your hair visible. Reach the bottommost part of the hair and then insert that plaited parts through the upper part, and then you are done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail or a pigtail. Now insert it through the upper part and make plaits out of them. Give it a ribbony look. Tie all the parts together and then make a half ponytail again. You are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a middle half ponytail. Leave the upper half of the hair loose. Now start tying plaits out of the upper half of the hair by taking few strands of the hair, first very small and then large strands. When you reach the bottommost part of your hair, leave it alone. Now attach both of them together with the help of a rubber band. Make a ponytail, half of the ponytail along the upper side of your hair. Divide that ponytail into two equal halves and then make plaits out of them. Now insert small strands of hair with the plaited parts of the head as well. Now repeat the same with both the parts. Roll it upwards, give it a heart-shaped look, and you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two upper ponytail. Divide the lower half into 4 equal halves and tie all of them in a crisscross manner just like this. Now roll it upwards, attach them with the pigtails, roll it, and then you are done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two long ponytails from above. Take the lower part of the hair, tie all of them together, roll it upwards, give it a circular look, and then decorate it with your favorite red colored fluffy rubber band or a scrunchie just like this. See how cute the look. Take your hair, divide it into 4 equal halves from the above. Tie the other middle part of the hair into two plaited parts and then keep inserting hair from the sides into the plaited parts of your hair just like this. When you are done doing the plaits, insert both of them together, tie it with a rubber band, and then you are done. Thank you for watching.